Okay, so the law of the harvest, all abundance in life lies in the principle of harvest. A person who desires to get his or her share of the wealth of life should follow this simple but profound law of the farmers, which is also the governing law of life. So the principle of the harvest also advocates that if you follow the footstep of real success people, you will eventually attain the result that these successful people have achieved in their life. Kung sino yung lagi mong sinasamahan, mini-mentor, or sinusundan, magiging ganun ka rin. So what you sow is what you reap. Siyempre, di ba? Alam, nagtanim ka ng puno ng mangga, tapos gusto mo lansones, hindi pwedeng ganun, no? Nagtanim ka ng mais, pero gusto mo papaya, hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwedeng magsinungaling ang resulta. So there is a wonderful mystical law of nature that three things crave most in life. Ito yung needs ng tao talaga. Pag tinamaan mo to, surely, makukuha mo yan. Happiness, freedom, and peace of mind are attained by giving them to someone else. Pag alam mo yung wisdom na to, when you share opportunity to someone, at ang tinutumbok, magkakaroon siya ng happiness, magkakaroon siya ng time freedom, financial freedom, peace of mind, makakawala na siya sa 8 to 5 hours sa employment, sigurado makukuha mo yung tao. Okay, tip lang, master prospector. Assume that you are a professional pearl hunter for every hour. I'll give you a bucket of 100 oyster. Isang bucket. Among those oyster, only 2 have pearls inside. And the other 98 are all empty. Kaya normal talaga na merong mga tao na mga in-invite mo, hindi maniniwala sa'yo kasi hindi lahat merong pearl. Okay? Hindi lahat yan alas. You take 1 oyster, cut it open and found that 1 oyster is empty. Walang laman, walang pearl. So you carefully put the shell back together, hold it between your hands, and to keep it warm, parang nililimliman mo, and wait for a day for the oyster to conceive a pearl. No. Hindi ganyan ang professional hunter, no? Hindi ganyan ang professional network marketer. Wala ngang laman eh. Ba't mo lilimliman para magkalaman? Maraming ganyan. Ayaw umalis sa isang prospect. Isang buwan na, yung pa rin ang prospect niya. Ayaw nga eh. Maghanap ka na ng iba. As a professional, would you do this? Of course, you would not. You will throw the empty oyster away and reach for another until you found one with a pearl. Right? So, dapat dampot ka lang, walang laman, tapon. Dampot, walang laman, tapon. Dampot, walang laman, tapon until you get someone na may pearl. So, this is how the master prospector finds his valuable. Diyan pa lang marami mali ang pag-i-invite o pagpa-prospect. Maling tao na tinututukan pa rin. Maling tao na ayaw pang iwanan. Ano nangyari? Pati ikaw tumagal, pati ikaw naiwan. Hanap ka ng hanap. May na-enroll ka nga, ay ayaw ngang gumalaw eh. Palitan mo na. Ibig sabihin, maghanap ka na ng another one. Ayaw ngang gawin yung level 1 eh. Yung get 3 ayaw gawin eh. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya yung tamang tao. O, yung isa ginagawa. Yung level 1, yung get 3. Yung isa ginagawa, yung get 3. Yung pangatlo ayaw. Palitan mo na yon. Hanap ka ng pang-apat. Yun yung gagawin mong pangatlo. Nagiget nyo na. Okay? So, new blood is the lifeblood of network marketing business. Hahanapin mo talaga yung mga bagong tao na magpapagana uli ng negosyo mo. So, where are your aces? Yan yung binanggit ko kanina, no? There are 52 cards in one deck. Sa isang deck ng card, ng baraha, 4 lang dyan ang alas. Okay? And dapat ikaw ang unang-unang alas dyan. So, in network marketing, the master prospector's role to convince people to join the business is only secondary. O, secondary lang daw ha, ang pagko-convince ng tao. So, ano yung primary? The primary role will be to explore or to sort through people who are willing to venture into the system. So, more on talaga, exploring, no? Or sort people. Marami talaga, no? Marami ka talagang po-prospectin hanggang lumabas yung tamang tao. Naalala ko tuloy, nag-start ako sa Live Good. Kahit ang dami na nag-join sa akin, invite pa rin ako na invite. Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung itong mga nag-join na to talagang gagalaw. In fact, ang dami nag-join sa akin, hindi naman nagalaw eh. Oh, right now, I have 552 enrollee. More than half of them, hindi naman nagalaw eh. Kasi, kaya ka nagpaparami ng mga magjo-join sa'yo, direct mo, hinahanap natin yung tamang tao. Yun ang trabaho ng master prospector. Yun yung primary role natin. The master prospector must continuously draw from a deck of cards. Ilabas mo ng ilabas. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sige, ubusin mo. Huwag kang titigil. Lahat yun nagjo-join ha. 7, 8, 9. Lahat yun nagjo-join ha. Sige pa rin. Hanggang sa lumabas yung alas. Nagets nyo? Hindi ko mo may nag-join sa'yo. Aces na agad yan. Remember? Ilan sa inyo rito yung nakapagpa-join? Nag-yearly pa nga pero hindi naman nagalaw. Kasi hindi yun yung aces. Ano gagawin mo? Tuloy-tuloy lang. Hahanapin mo talaga. Alright? Ito pa. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Yan. Mahatma Gandhi. Okay? Pagka talagang hindi ka na masasaktan na mindset mo ng tama yung sarili mo sa ganitong business, wala ka nang pakialam Kahit i-reject ka, yan si Mahatma Gandhi. Kahit sino ang sa kanya magsalita ng hindi maganda or kung ano man, wala siyang pakialam doon. Basta ang alam niya, he served people. So, parable of ham and egg. Alam nyo na to. In relation to the network marketing business, if you really want to have a lasting success, involvement is not enough. Although, malaking bagay yung meron kang involvement. Part ka ng DMW speaker, hosting, sharer, kahit sabi mong gumagawa ka lang ng mga poster o IT ka, etc. Iba yung may involvement, no? But it's not enough. You must commit yourself and sacrifice your convenience to attain your worthy goals in life. Ilan sa atin dito yung may sakit na nagpe-present pa. May sakit na, naka-tune in pa. Diba? And that is commitment. May problema na, naka-tune in pa rin. May situation na sa family, naka-tune in pa rin. And that is commitment and sacrifice para lang sa goal na gusto mong makuha. Itong parable ham and egg, alam naman natin, ang manok, no? Titilaok lang yan, tok, 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 tok. Magbibigay na ng egg para sa kanyang amo. I-scramble egg. So, yung chicken pa rin siya, manok pa rin siya, di ba? Daily yan, nagbibigay ng egg. And that is involvement. And what is commitment? The pig, no? Para makapagbigay ng ham ang pig, he commit himself. Grabe, no? Para makagawa ng ham para sa kanyang amo. And that is commitment. Yun yung service of others, no? Ayos. So, if you want to start your own business, you should possess certain qualities like integrity, honesty, and diligence, and a willingness to take measure risks. And it's hard work, really. And you cannot just build a business on dreams. John Gokong way, no? Integrity is very important, guys. Kaya lang, minsan magkaiba tayo ng ng perspective about integrity. Honesty, napakalaga niyan. So you cannot just build a business on dreams. Dapat talaga i-work out yan. No? Tinatrabaho talaga yan. Hard work talaga. Sipag.